Well, happy birthday. Someone told me it was your birthday. Yeah, it was your birthday. Yeah, happy birthday. Well, it was your birthday. No, it's not your birthday. Yes, it's happy 38th birthday, Tony. From Beta Boy James. Someone told me. Well, no, someone didn't tell me it's your birthday. Yeah, it was. Happy birthday to you, mate. Have a good one. Who's happy birthday to you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tony. Happy birthday to you. Oh, many more. Happy birthday, Tony. Have a good day and enjoy your birthday. I'm wearing my B&Q hat here. DIY store in the UK and Ireland. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, it wasn't. I didn't do a bit of impression of it. Little James in the house, and I'm leaving now. Happy birthday, mate. Have a good one.